Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library and this week's DIY challenge. Week 6 of our summer reading challenge is a folding craft stick card. Come join me and I'll show you how to make one. All right friends, so in the kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find 8 craft sticks and some ribbon. You'll also need some additional items, markers and tape. All right, so let's get started. This summer is all about finding your voice, and so on these craft sticks we're going to put things that we like or we want to say. You can have a favorite quote or affirmation, whatever you choose. You're just going to decorate all of these craft sticks and then we're going to tape them together in a special way. So go ahead and decorate. Ta-da! All right friends, so this is how I decorated my sticks. So what we're going to do is go ahead and I'm done with my markers. We're going to use our tape. So we are going to tape on this side every other one. So we are going to tape the first 2 together. And so you can still see your design there. And then we are going to tape the second 2 together. And then we are going to tape the third set of 2. And then the last set of 2 together. Then what we're going to do, turn over the first 2, and where they're separated, tape them together. So we're going to tape them right here. And then we're going to turn the next one over, and where they're separated, put them together and tape them right there. So see, they need to be taped together. And then the last one, and tape that together. All right. Now, check out how your card is going to fold. It's going to fold up and back and up and back and up and back and up, just like an accordion. And then we gave you some ribbon, and you can tie this together if you want with a little bow tie, just like that. Or if you wanted to make a wall hanging, you could go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and turn this over and put a very small piece of tape here to hold it on. And the reason I say small is because if we tape these 2 together, they won't fold. And if you do want to fold this up again at some point, it wouldn't work. So we can just put little pieces of tape there to hold that on. And that could be a wall hanging to remind you every day what you love. If you wanted to make this for a friend or a family member, you can make it into that card and present it to them, all folded up and wrapped up with your ribbon. Just remind them, or just let them know that if they wanted to make it into a wall hanging, that they would have to tape a very small piece of tape on the back. All right, and there's your folding craft stick card. Nice job, friends. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your craft stick card. And just for doing this DIY craft, you can enter PLAY, P-L-A-Y, in week 6 of our challenge. So PLAY, P-L-A-Y. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. I'll see you all next week. Have a great day. Bye-bye.